Hi. For this problem, we are given two numbers represented by two lists. Two lists here means two linked lists. Write a function that returns sum list. The sum list is a list representation of addition of two input numbers. So suppose we are given two linked lists. One is 5, 4 and another one is 5, 4, 3. So this represents this number which is 45 and this represents this number which is 345. So it is clear that from the first digit represents the least significant digit and the second one is the most significant digit. So that's why we have reversed the number and written like this, because during the addition we add the least significant digit first and then we move to the left towards the most significant digit. So for 5, 4, it is 45, which is 4 is the most significant, 5 is the least. Similarly, for 5, 4, 3, 3 is the most significant, and then 4, and then 5 is the least. So when we add these, so 5 plus 5 is 10, then carry over 1, then 4 plus 4 is 8, plus carry over which was 1 equal to 9, and then 3, because 3 doesn't have a number from the in the other list. So now we will write it as, in the list it will be written as 0, 9 and 3. So now we will see like how we are gonna do it programmatically. So first of all, we're gonna write a node class. So it will be public class node, then public int data, then public node next, and then we will write constructor. So it will be public, yes, it will be capital letter, public node, then int d, and then data equal to d, and next equal to null. Okay, this is the constructor and this class is over here. So next class we are going to write for public class linked list. Now we'll write the function to add two lists. Okay, so it will be public, it will return a node type because we have to return the head of the resultant node. So node, then add two lists. So it will take head node of the first list and node of second. Now initially our result node is null, then node prev is also null, and node temp is also null, and also we will have a carry which is initially 0 and a sum. So initially sum also will have to initialize as 0. Now we will start writing the loop. So while first is not equal to null, we will have to check first is not null, and second is also not equal to null. Then what we are gonna do? So will sum. So sum will be equal to carry plus first is not equal to null. Then we'll have first dot data, otherwise 0. Okay, and plus second is not equal to null. Then we'll have second dot data, otherwise 0. Then we'll update the carry for the next calculation. So carry will be equal to, if sum is greater than or equal to 10, then it will be 1, otherwise it will be 0. And we'll also update sum if it is greater than 10. So sum equal to sum ampersand 10. Now we'll create a new node with sum as data. So temp will be equal to new node which has sum as data. Now we'll check. So if this is the first node, then we will set it as a resultant list. So if result equal to null, then result will be equal to temp. Okay. And if this is not the first node, then we'll connect it to the rest. So else ref dot next equal to temp. Okay. And then we will set the previous for the next insertion. So we'll have prev equal to temp, and we'll move the first and the second pointer to the next node. So now we'll have if first is not equal to null, then first will be first dot next, and right here. And similarly for the second one, if second equal to not equal to null, then second will be equal to second dot next. Okay, this is done. And then if carry is greater than 0, then we'll have temp dot next equal to new node carry. Okay, and then we'll return the result. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.